Alright, family, how you all doing? Welcome back to your very own channel, Travel, Walkthrough and Beyond. This is your host Nitin, and today marks the end of the 37th day of the 12 weeks fitness challenge, and it's going great. So I've completed more than one round for today. Need to be somewhere, so not gonna do the complete whole two. In fact, I also came a little late because I was occupied with something in the morning, afternoon. So that's all for today. And somehow there's something going on with the foot. Not sure really what. Not the blister. That thing is completely fine now. It's 100% healed, but it's something else going on. I'm not sure what. So that's keeping me from maintaining the regularity with the intermittent or the alternate walking, brisk walking, and running in between. So what I'm currently doing is I'm walking 2 days. If I'm not able to run, then I'm continuing with the running the third day. So it's a little off right now. I see somebody join unapologetically. Moji and hi, how you doing? It's something to do with the shin. No, the calf. So the calf muscles, especially the right foot, it's paining. So not really sure what's going on with that. It just wouldn't stop. So don't know if I should take a break with this for like a couple of days or so that once it completely heals up, then I should, if there's any betterment, then I should resume with the routine. So not really sure if I should take a break or what. So I'm just gonna hang in and see what I'm gonna do about it. So that's it. That's all for today. So I hope you guys are also walking or running or thinking. In case you haven't started, then trust me, this is the best time. Coming days ahead, it's going to be warmer by the day, and it's going to get tougher. Like, the only thing is you'll have to be selective with the timings, but other than that, it's going to be fine. You can still go out in the day if you like, but timing should not be a constraint. If you can't get out in the morning, it's perfectly okay. Nobody said that it's only good to walk in the morning. You can also walk in the evening, afternoon, or at night if you have the facility. So I guess that's all. That's it for today. See you again soon. Bye bye, take care. And yeah, one more thing. Again, yesterday it was a Friday, so I tried momos here today. Turned out to be good. So I'm just taking that again because I have some work lined up. So in order to save me some time, I'm gonna have some steamed paneer momos along with a little bit of chow mein. So yeah, Saturday, just chilling. Take care, bye bye. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Har Har Mahadev. Bye bye.